Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee, and I have a very, very nice previously owned utility company bucket truck for you. This is a 2007. Let me repeat that. This is a 2007. For those of you keeping score at home, that means it is not have any particulate filters on it. They didn't put those on until 08. So this one here is kind of a unique, hard to find, very nice condition. And usually I do the walk around right away, but I've got the engine running, and so I just want to shut that down so that I'm not competing with the noise, because sometimes this camera picks that up. This is an all fiberglass body on here. I'll show you that in a little bit. Interior on it is nice, clean, straight. GM. Driver's seat's pretty good. Passenger seat's got some little issues on it there. Floorboard like brand new. Pedals like brand new. Headliner has a little bit of a problem. Boy, these GMs, they just seem to have that a lot, don't they? But this truck is spectacular. This has got cruise control on it. It's showing a whole 119,000 miles. And the reason I always leave these running, because I want you to see that there's no check engine lights on. There's no issues with this. Oil pressure's good. Nice smooth running. 119 on the odometer. So I'm just going to shut that off, just because I don't need to compete with it. And interior is nice, clean, straight. Looks like it's got an aftermarket trailer brake controller on it. The air conditioning is nice and cool. Didn't try the radio. Let's see what happens, if anything. Oh, look at there. There you go. So the radio works on it. There's your PTO switch right there. And as I say, it's clean truck. Passenger seat. Don't know what was going on there. You might have to do something with that. And here's your controls for the strobe lights and all that kind of stuff. I'll try to get the shade in there for you. So you have to have the master on first before you can do any of that kind of stuff. Emergency brake has to be pulled on to the on position in order for the mechanism to work in the back. Nice truck. Nice truck. It's an 07 and just a solid little unit. This thing runs so nice. I like the bucket seats. I'm not a fan of GM bench seats myself. So this is a fiberglass body, and it's just nice. Here's your information apparently for the oh, it's a little spill kit. Okay, a little spill kit. Whatever's here you're gonna get. All of the little boxes, obviously it's rust free because it's 100% fiberglass. Solid truck all the way around. These are all nice up there. Everything is good on this. It's got a mechanism in here. Didn't really look at it very closely, but it looks to me, there's your trailer hitch. This has got an extension on it. Nice aluminum diamond plate, nice extension. Look at there, it's got a inverter in it. I'll show you that in a little bit. But the stuff on the other side goes with this, I think. So apparently, this is a, you put a spool of wire on there. And the other parts of it, are on the other side. So if you're a cable guy or something, you're going to want that. Here is where I operated it from right there, the lower position. I will double check and make sure it works from up above. I'm sure it does. And these are just the same type of, fiberglass, a little tool bin there. Another little compartment there for hanging cables or whatever. And there is your inverter right there. So you got some little shelves there. It's got a ladder rack on it right up there as well. A little tube there if you want to put some sticks of some type in there. And of course, the actual bucket itself. And I'm going to try to get up here without falling down and breaking my neck. And so this looks like this is a removable traffic control bar of some type. And so here's what we have. We have a Dura lift. I can't get by the camera here. Hopefully you can see this. It is 27 foot 6 inches and it is 350 pound capacity. So 27.5 foot from the floor there and a 350 pound bucket capacity. Nice piece. Nice solid piece. And of course you got your little slide locks here if you want to put a padlock in there to lock the stuff all up. As I say, this is a 2007. Floorboard is good. You got the little retaining board right there. So if you want to put something in there and you don't want it to fall out when you're going down the road, you got that nice little board right there to stop that from happening. Little bumpers there when you back up into something. Super nice truck. Hopefully we can get a shot of the tires there. Well, that one here is probably not the best. Most of them look to me like they're probably about 30%. And that's got the mighty Duramax motor in it. As I say, 2007 free exhaust filter truck. 119,000 miles is all, 27.5 foot bucket lift on it, and she's ready for you guys to pick up and take this thing and go to work, make some money and pay for it. So this is Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. If you can use this truck or anything else on our website, you just give me a call. My number is 602-510-5444. And once again, I thank you for looking.